Hello, and welcome to English Ignited. I'm Adam.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo.
Today, we're going to learn something very important. We're going to learn how to talk about your feelings in English.
Feelings. Like happy and sad?
Yes, exactly. Happy, sad, and many more. Leo, how do you feel today?
I feel good?
Good, that's correct. But in English, we have more specific words. Let me teach you. Today, we will learn 8 feeling words, 8 simple words. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's start with the first feeling. Happy. Happy. Leo, repeat after me. Happy.
Happy.
Great. When you smile, when something good happens, you feel happy. For example, I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Beautiful. Now the second feeling. Sad. When something bad happens, when you cry, you feel sad. 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 Good. Now try this. I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Perfect. So we have happy and sad. Now let's learn number 3. Angry. Angry. When someone makes you upset, you feel angry.
Angry. Like when my brother takes my phone?
Yes, exactly. You feel angry. Try to say it. I feel angry.
I feel angry.
Excellent. Now number 4. Tired. Tired. When you work a lot or you don't sleep, you feel tired.
Oh, I know this word. Tired.
Yes. Now say, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Wonderful. Let's continue. Number 5 is scared. Scared. When you watch a horror movie or you see something dangerous, you feel scared.
Scared. I feel scared?
Perfect. Yes, I feel scared. Now number 6. Excited. Excited. This is a good feeling. When something fun is coming, like a party or a trip, you feel excited. Excited. I feel excited. Yes, I can hear it in your voice. Good job. Now, number 7. Worried. Worried. When you think something bad might happen, you feel worried.
Worried. Like before a test.
Exactly. Before a test, you might feel worried. Say it. I feel worried.
I feel worried.
Great. And the last one, number 8. Bored. Bored. When something is not interesting, when you have nothing to do, you feel bored. Bored. Like in a long meeting? Yes, exactly. Now say, I feel bored.
I feel bored.
Excellent work, Leo. So now we have 8 feelings. Let me say them again slowly. Listen carefully. Happy, sad, angry, tired, scared, excited, worried, bored. Wow, that's a lot of words. It's okay. You don't need to remember everything now. Just practice. And remember, the most important structure is this. I feel plus the feeling word.
I feel plus the word. Okay.
Yes. For example, I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel excited. Very simple. Just 2 words. I feel.
Can I try?
Of course. Go ahead.
Okay. I feel happy today because... Oh, wait. We don't use because yet.
Good question, Leo. We will learn because very soon. But right now, just practice I feel plus the feeling. Try again.
Okay. I feel happy today.
Perfect. See, it's very easy. Now let's practice together. I'm going to give you a power sentence. This is a sentence you can use every day. Listeners, please repeat with us. Ready? Here it is. I feel happy today. Let's say it slowly together. I feel happy today. One more time. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Excellent. Now, listeners, you can change the word happy to any feeling. For example, I feel tired today. I feel excited today. I feel bored today. You choose. Oh, that's so easy. Yes, English can be simple. You just need the right words. And speaking of choosing the right words, sometimes people ask, why do you feel that way?
Why?
Exactly. Why do you feel happy? Why do you feel tired? And that's what we're going to learn next. How to explain why you feel something.
Oh, I see. So we add more information.
Yes, we add a reason. And to do that, we use one very important word. The word is because.
Because?
Yes, let me show you. So, Leo, let me ask you, how do you feel right now?
I feel excited.
Great. Now I want to know, why do you feel excited?
Because... Oh, because we are teaching English?
Perfect. Did you hear that, everyone? Leo said, I feel excited because we are teaching English. She gave me a reason. She told me why.
Oh, so because connects the feeling and the reason.
Exactly. Because is like a bridge. It connects two ideas. First, you say you're feeling, then you say because, then you say the reason. Let me show you the structure. Listen carefully. I feel plus feeling word plus because plus reason.
Can you say an example?
Of course. Here's an example. I feel tired because I worked all day.
I feel tired because I worked all day.
Good. Let's break it down. First part, I feel tired. That's the feeling. Second part, because I worked all day. That's the reason. Together, it's one complete sentence.
Oh, so I need both parts.
Yes, both parts make your English sound more natural. Let me give you more examples. Listen. I feel happy because it's Friday.
I feel happy because it's Friday. I love Fridays.
Haha, me too. Okay, here's another one. I feel sad because my friend is leaving.
Oh, I feel sad because my friend is leaving. That's sad.
Yes. Now you try. Tell me a feeling and a reason.
Okay. I feel hungry because I didn't eat breakfast.
Excellent. That's perfect, Leo. You used the structure correctly. I feel hungry because I didn't eat breakfast. Great job. Yay! It's easy. Yes, it is. Now, let me teach you some very common reasons. These are reasons people use every day. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. First reason is because I'm tired. You can say, I feel bored because I'm tired.
I feel bored because I'm tired.
Good. Second reason is because it's Monday. Many people don't like Monday, so you can say, I feel sad because it's Monday.
I feel sad because it's Monday. Poor Monday.
Yes. Okay, third reason is because I have a test. For example, I feel worried because I have a test.
I feel worried because I have a test. Yes, tests are scary.
I understand. Fourth reason is because the weather is nice. You can say, I feel happy because the weather is nice.
I feel happy because the weather is nice. Oh, I love good weather.
Me too. And the last one is because I drank coffee. For example, I feel excited because I drank coffee.
I feel excited because I drank coffee.
That's me every morning. Me too. Coffee is very important. So now, listeners, you have many examples. You can mix and match. Choose any feeling, then add because, then add your reason.
Adam, can I try making my own sentence?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I feel scared because I saw a spider.
Haha, perfect. I feel scared because I saw a spider. That's a great sentence, Leo.
I really don't like spiders.
I understand. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. This is our power sentence for this section. Ready? Here it is. I feel tired because I worked all day. Let's say it slowly. I feel tired because I worked all day. One more time. I feel tired because I worked all day.
I feel tired because I worked all day. Excellent. Now, listeners, remember, you can change the feeling and the reason. For example, I feel happy because it's Friday. Or I feel excited because I have a party. The structure is always the same. I feel, feeling word, because, reason.
So easy. I love this.
I'm glad. And you know what? Now you can talk about your feelings. But what about other people?
Other people?
Yes. What if you want to ask your friend, how do you feel? Or maybe you see someone and they look sad. You want to ask, are you okay?
Oh, so we ask them about their feelings.
Exactly. And that's very important in English. We care about people. We ask questions. And that's what we're going to practice now.
Oh, okay. So, how do I ask?
Great question. Let me teach you. There are 3 very simple questions you can use. The first question is, okay, Leo, imagine you see your friend, and your friend looks sad. What can you ask?
You are sad?
Not quite. In English, we usually ask with a question. The most common question is, how do you feel?
How do you feel?
Perfect. That's the first question. How do you feel? This is very polite and very common. Let me ask you, Leo, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Excellent. See, it's a simple question and a simple answer. Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Good. Now, the second question is even simpler. Are you ready?
Yes.
The second question is even simpler. Are you ready?
Yes.
The second question is, are you okay?
Are you okay?
Yes. Are you okay is very common when you think something is wrong. For example, your friend looks tired or sad. You can ask, are you okay?
Oh, so it's like, checking on them?
Exactly. You care about them. You want to know if they need help. It's a very kind question.
I like that. Are you okay?
Yes, Leo, I'm okay. Thank you for asking. Now, how do you answer this question? It's very easy. You can say, yes, I'm okay. Or if you're not okay, you can say, no, I'm not okay.
Yes, I'm okay. Or no, I'm not okay. Perfect. And if someone asks you, are you okay, and you want to give more information, you can add your feeling. For example, yes, I'm okay. I just feel tired.
Oh, so I can add I feel plus the feeling.
Exactly. You're connecting what we learned before. Great job. Let me show you. Yes, I'm okay. I just feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
Wow, that's a complete answer.
Yes, you can make your answers short or long. It's your choice. Now let me teach you the third question. This one is very useful.
Okay, I'm ready.
The third question is, what's wrong?
What's wrong?
Yes, what's wrong? This question means, what is the problem? You use this when you see someone is sad, angry, or worried. For example, your friend is crying, you can ask, what's wrong?
What's wrong? So it's more direct?
Yes, exactly. It's more direct. You really want to know the problem. And how do you answer? You can say, I feel sad because, and then give the reason.
Oh, like I feel sad because my cat is sick.
Perfect. That's a great answer, Leo. I feel sad because my cat is sick. You answered the question completely.
My cat is okay, don't worry.
Good. Okay, everyone. Let's practice these 3 questions together. Listen and repeat. First question, how do you feel?
How do you feel?
Second question, are you okay?
Are you okay?
Third question, what's wrong?
What's wrong?
Excellent. Now let's practice a real conversation. Leo, I'm going to ask you questions and you answer. Ready? Okay, I'm ready. Good. Leo, how do you feel today? I feel happy. Great. Why do you feel happy? I feel happy because we are teaching English. Wonderful. Okay, now imagine you look tired. I ask you, Leo, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I just feel tired because I woke up early.
Perfect. That's a complete answer. And now imagine you look sad. I ask, Leo, what's wrong?
I feel sad because it's raining today.
Excellent, Leo. You did it. You answered all three questions. Listeners, did you hear that? Leo used everything we learned today. I did. That was fun. Yes. And now it's your turn, listeners. Let's practice together. This is our final power sentence. Ready? Here it is. How do you feel today? Let's say it slowly. How do you feel today? One more time. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Perfect. Now, listeners, you can use this question every day. Ask your friends, ask your family, how do you feel today? It's a great way to start a conversation.
Yes, and people will think your English is very good.
That's true. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review. Today, we learned many things. First, we learned 8 feeling words. Do you remember them, Leo?
Happy, sad, angry, tired, scared, excited, worried, and bored.
Perfect. All 8. Second, we learned how to explain why we feel something. We use the word because. Yes, because. For example, I feel happy because it's Friday. And third, we learned how to ask other people about their feelings. The 3 questions are,
How do you feel? Are you okay? And, what's wrong?
excellent, Leo. You remembered everything. And listeners, now you can talk about feelings in English. You can say how you feel, you can explain why you feel that way, and you can ask others how they feel.
This is so useful. I'm going to use this every day.
Before we go, let's do a quick test. Leo, I will give you a situation and you tell me the feeling. You have a big English test tomorrow. How do you feel?
I feel worried.
Perfect. Now, you at home, tell us in the comments, how do you feel when you see a spider? And remember, everyone, practice is very important. Try to use these sentences today. Talk to yourself. Talk to your friends. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Yes, don't be scared. Just try. Thank you, everyone. We hope you feel great today. Yes. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.